Lennon, if I get one, I'll let you try and fight him, okay? Lennon, come here. Come here. Come here. Keep that rod up. Reel it. Reel him. There you go. Reel him up. Keep that rod up. Keep the rod up. There you go. Oh, he got off. Right there. Ah. Give me 5. That's all right. You were doing good. Almost. He was up over there by those riffles. Oh, man. Well, that's a good sign, bud. There's one. Who wants it? Kenzie's turn? There, it's a smallie. Keep your rod up. Keep that rod up, because they'll probably try jumping. Just don't force them. Take your time. Take your time. That's why that... Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, very nice. Okay, hold on, slow. Oh, nice smallmouth. Look at that. That's a nice one. Nice job. Look at that. That's a nice smallmouth, guys. All right. Look at that. All right. You guys want to take a picture with it? Are you sure? Well, here, we'll do a selfie. All right. Nice job. See, that right there is worth it. Let's see, how are we looking? Here, come over here, guys. We'll set this up. It's a smallmouth bass.
Oh, yeah!
Right? All right. All right, let's put this girl back. Probably. For the creek here.
Put it.
There she goes. Staying right by that rock right there, and then she's going to take off to her spot. There she goes, heading that way. Nice job. Job. All right. There, good job, buddy. Lennon, come here.
What?
Come here. Here.
Let me put my rod down.
Here. Keep it up and reel.
Keep it up.
Keep it up and reel. Up.
Reel.
Okay, take. Oh, nice jump.
Keep it up and reel. Keep it up.
Nice. Okay, hold on.
Keep it up and reel.
Oh, right, you got him.
Yeah!
All right. All right. Nice job. Man, he beat the crap out of our minnow. He hit the... Here, hold on, give me the rod. You want to release him?
No.
You sure? You can walk right down there with him.
No.
You sure?
No. I gotta catch my... You just said you're not sure.
All right. Ken's hold this for a second. All right, the little smallmouth. Here, look out, bud. I'm coming down there with you. We'll let him go.
I caught a smallmouth.
I think he killed our bait, but...
Yeah, put him right here.
Yep.
Put him right...
Oh, there you go. He went fast.
There's a line.
All right, let's see that. Nice job, bud. Way to reel him in. Good job. Each got one. All right.